Hi, I'm Matt, and this is You Can Change Vegan. Today I'm going to show you how to make these vegan loaded Mexican burritos that are great for meal prep or putting in the freezer for later. This video was a subscriber request, so thanks to Joseph for requesting that I make a vegan burrito. If you would like to request a recipe, just leave a comment. Before we start, thanks to my 978 subscribers. Making burritos might seem like a lot of work, but it's definitely worth it. It's as simple as preparing your ingredients and then building your burritos. Full recipe in the description. If you need to cook rice, do that first because it'll take the longest, or if you've got leftover rice like me, we'll microwave it at the end. We'll make a simple salsa with tomato. We'll give that a dice and add it to our bowl. Red onion, finely diced, then add it to the bowl. Corn kernels, coriander, finely chopped, and the juice of a lemon or lime, whatever you've got. Give it a stir and then set it aside. Now let's make our guacamole. Cut open your avocado, scoop the flesh into a bowl, then add salt, pepper, and lime juice, and mash with a fork. Grate some vegan cheese, shred some lettuce, and then get some pickled jalapeños and give them a chop. Now onto our hot elements, we've got our can of refried beans. Heat the beans in a pot or in the microwave until warm. By now your rice will be cooked, or if you're using leftover rice, give it a microwave. Now let's make our burritos. Start by taking a warmed large tortilla, add our hot refried beans to the center square, our warm rice, our guacamole, vegan cheese, our fresh salsa, jalapeños, and then if you're eating the burrito fresh, you can add lettuce. If you're toasting it, maybe leave it out. And now to roll our burrito, fold the top over and then the sides. Pull it down nice and tight at the top. Tuck in the top edges and then keep rolling nice and tightly. Look at that. Cut it in half and then let's have a look inside. A delicious rice and bean vegan burrito. As always, thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe now to see more of my vegan cooking videos.